How to log in into SafePal Wallet. Are you guys facing issues to log in into SafePal Wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To log in into your SafePal Wallet, open the SafePal app on your mobile phone. If you are using a software wallet, simply enter your security password you set during wallet creation. This unlocks access to your funds and wallet features. If you are using a hardware wallet, tap Hardware Wallet in the app, then turn on your physical device. Scan the QR codes on your wallet to reconnect. Once linked, your wallet is ready to use securely. SafePal doesn't use traditional username or emails. Everything is accessed through each other, your password or the hardware connection. Always keep your device and password safe, and never share your recovery page to anyone else. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out all the videos on this channel for full guidance. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.